of November. Bonfires glow and sparklers shimmer. Under the stars we gather tight to watch fireworks light up the night. Long ago in London town, a man named Guy tried to bring it down. He hid some barrels deep below to make the Houses of Parliament glow. But someone warned the king that day, and soldiers came to clear the way. They found the gunpowder in the dark and stopped the plan before the spark. Remember, remember, the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. We celebrate peace, not what was sought, with bonfires burning hot. Now every year when the nights grow cold, we tell the tale that's centuries old. With toffee apples and glowing skies, we watch the rockets start to rise. Our children laugh and faces gleam like sparks that dance in every dream. Fireworks pop and colors fly, we cheer together side by side. It's not about the plan or fight, but learning wrong from right. How kindness wins when tempers cool, that's the story's golden rule. Remember, remember, the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plot. We celebrate peace, not what was sought, with bonfires burning hot. So when you see the embers glow and fireworks sparkle high and low, remember the night, the lesson clear, to keep our hearts kind year after year. Yeah.
Join the rhythm.